Haba don kena nu ke Jiingbakla ke kot Kiba Pynmih ke ban Kitkhlieh ya kini la menteri ketenat peli putih ke jelau ba Lahkmen remboi mentak kesni kelai trik noi weng jalapsan hadin ba mi kubor bergadon ke Jiingbakla jong ke Jiingbakla bar ke jubab haka CM impak kajbuk ke balsam syaki kena ban ya ke matrik uba Lahkmen ong ba namal ba udang syuk jingtip ya kini na kaling jong un sim khia mardo ban pak Pynmih ya ke Jiingbakla adai dadak adai ke basisya menteri orang ba omdai tangka CM impak ke ba ke hika ya ke kena andai hika barok ke subjek andai habadon ke Jiingbakla ketenat peli putih ke ambus bat kesuka ke dai bat Pynmih ya keta ke Jiingbakla la ban kedau badang sian uai nang hika barang ba KGP Girls Science ke School Shillong babu kula kunjir masai madan ya ke Jiingbakla ke CM impak kai books ha ke balasam syaki kena ke stand ki banya ke matrik bat ke Jiingbakla kan long ke Jiingbansau ki kena ki ba Pynmih ya ke examin mentau snem
have not come to the knowledge of that issue, but having said that, SCM impact is not is not the book to help the children to pass. It is the question of the help the children to gain knowledge, and once they can get the knowledge, it will surely impact in the pass percentage of the children.
But
It is not a question of review. Any error which detected, it is responsible of the government, responsible of the publisher, or responsible of the board which prescribed the book to take a corrective measure then and there. So since the information you are giving to me just now, I learned from that, I will take a prompt action that whatever error which is there should be corrected because any knowledge which will impart to the children, it should be true, it should be not false, or there should be no error at all.
so do you say that one should
No. The children have all the option. It is not only the same impact which they are teaching in the school. They teach all the subject, and CM impact is one of the book of the help book for the student. But if there is any wrong, if any error, so the department, the MBOs will take necessary step to correct that error.